Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your zipper with 3D printing pen. On my zipper, this part came off, but no worry since we have 3D printing pen. You can just replace it with paper clip. This is just a regular paper clip. Put it in here. So now we're going to use our 3D printing pen to draw something in here. You can just use your imagination. Draw anything you like here. Today I'm just gonna make something easy. Now we're done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.